Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to sign in to HBO Max and phone. So of course, first thing that you should do here is to download the HBO Max application on your mobile device. I am using my iOS. So let's just open our app store and then search for this application. Okay, so search for HBO Max. That's right, and then you have this one. So after downloading the app, you just have to tap on the open option. Okay, and then you have the subscribe now option and the sign in option. So since we're already, subscribed, so I'm just going to tap on the sign in. That's right. After that, you just have to type out right here your email address. Okay, so let me just type out my email address right here. .com and then tap on continue. After that, you just have to type out right here your password, and then after that, just tap on the sign in option. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.